Hello everyone, this is Sir RJ from ICSA, and in this lesson I will just discuss to you about the basics of using Illustrator and as well as how to use the interface of Adobe Illustrator to get you started with the designing. When you open the file of Illustrator, you will find here the dashboard. We call it the dashboard. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to create a file. So if you want to create a file, you can go here on File, New, and then select any sizes from here. So since we're just practicing, you can select any size, but for me, I'm going to select A4 size. So go to A4. Inside this dashboard also, there are many different sizes that we can select. For example, for mobile, for web, printing, branding, or social. So it depends on the type of design that you want to do. You can select any custom size. But yet again, since we're only showing it for example, I'm going to go to A4 and then just select Create. So once you open Illustrator, this is where you will see all of the interface that we'll be using in order for us to design the work. So on the left side here we have the toolbox. The toolbox consists of many different tools that will help us do the design, like the selection tool, shapes, pencil, and many more. So in our course, we'll be discussing most of these one by one. So the next one I will explain is the tabs. The tabs is there for us to open multiple files at once. For example, right now I have only one tab open. If I go to File and press New again, and this time I'm going to create a A4 size, but this time landscape, by pressing on the orientation button landscape and pressing Create. That will give us a landscape and a portrait tab in one interface. So if I want to see a design from the other tab, I can switch around. If you don't want it anymore, you can just press the X button here. The next one is the menu bar. So the menu bar consists of many different functions that will also help us edit. But the most important one that we need to take note of in the beginning lesson is this one called File. Since this is where we create the new file, and this is also where we save and also export the design that we're making. These other ones, we will be discussing it on a later lesson. Now on the right side, we have here are the windows. Some other call it the panels, which is also fine. So the windows or the panel is customizable depending on the type of design that we're trying to do. If, for example, you need to have a lot of colors, so right now we don't have any color panel here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the window option in the menu bar and select color. That will give me the color selection that I can use for my design. But if you feel like you don't need any parts of the window inside here, what we're gonna do is we're just going to right click on it and close it. Right click, close, right click, close, and right click, close. And if you want to make it more organized, Illustrator also allows you to snap the windows on the side. For example, this color panel, I'm just going to drag it. When I see the blue line, I can release it and it will snap. So likewise, if I go to window and for example, I need to have a option here for the artboards, I will click on it and snap it back on the same place. So that will make sure that our panel or window is very organized. In case you don't need any of the files or any of the panel, of course you can right click again and close, right click, close, and right click, close. If, for example, we want to go back to the very default state of Illustrator with all the panels like the beginning, what we can do is we can go here on the option for window, go to the option for workspace, and select the option called Reset Getting Started. That will make the Illustrator go back to its default state. So in case you lose any of the toolbar, the options for the panels, you can always go back to the normal. And the last thing that I will discuss now is the artboards. The artboards is where we do all of the designs, and it also indicates the size of the design that we're making. Like I said earlier, the design that we have right now is A4. So if I want to change the size, it's also possible. For us to change the size of the canvas that we already created, we need to use a tool called the Artboard tool. But in our case, since we're just starting out with Illustrator, we don't really know where to find it. This is where this search box comes in very handy. Click on the search box and simply type here the name of the tool that we want to search. So in our case, it's Artboard. So I already wrote it here. Click on the Artboard and it will show you where to find it. So the Artboard tool is actually quite hidden from the tools panel. So I just need to click on it and it will be selected for me. Now you can see that our artboard is now selected. If I want to change the preset size of it, I can simply go to the panel of the properties here, select the size and change it to A3. I can change it to any size that I want. You can even change the orientation. So in case you have made a mistake on the size, no worries, you can always change it using the Artboard tool. So that's for the interface of Adobe Illustrator. Just to summarize, we have the toolbar, we have the tabs, and we have the menu bar up here. On the right side, we have the panels, or some call the window, and now we also have the artboards. So once we have practiced all, we can now proceed with the next lesson. Thank you for watching.